Hello, my name is Jason Vansickle, Curator of Vehicles here at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway Museum, and Lotus 29 restoration page update talking about Gurney, Clark, and Colin Chapman. Jim Clark and Colin Chapman had a long history in Formula One together, and it was almost like a Roger Penske-Mark Donohue connection between the car owner and driver. Dan Gurney had a career in Formula One starting in 1959. In the early 60s, he was running for Brabham and had an idea about bringing a new car to the Indianapolis 500. In 1962 was Dan Gurney's first start, a rookie here, and he actually invited Colin Chapman to come, gave him a credential, and he walked around and studied here at the garages and the Indianapolis 500 starting in 1962. The Lotus Indianapolis Project was entered in 1963, and they brought over 3 Lotus 29 chassis to enter the race. Lotus 29-1 was originally the test mule car, never slated to run in that May. Lotus 29-2 was originally Dan Gurney's car, and Lotus 29-3 was Jim Clark's car. On the first day of qualifying, Dan Gurney, driving the Lotus 29-2, wrecked in turn 1, totaling the car. He actually had to get back into his backup car, which is R29-1, and qualified on the second day of qualifying on the outside of the 4th row.